Hey y'all, I'm Jason. I am a part of the acapella group A minor, as you can see from my shirt. We're actually doing auditions later on, which is why I'm wearing this shirt. And I normally wear nicer clothes, which gets me into about me. I love clothes. I also love running. I used to be an All-American in track in high school as a thing, but no longer a thing. And I've been singing for about 2-ish years. I'm a tenor one. And yeah, that's about me. So I'm gonna warm up and down now. Yes, I do. I believe that one day I will be where I was, right there, right next to you. And it's hard, the day just seems so dark. The moon and the stars are nothing without you. Your touch, your skin, where do I begin? No words can explain the way I'm missing you tonight. This emptiness, this hole that I'm inside. These tears, they tell their own story. Told me not to cry when you were gone. But the feeling's over.